Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your Apple CarPlay. Okay, first of all, if you have any issue while connecting to the Apple CarPlay, I'm gonna show you how to reset it. Okay, first of all, bring out your cell phone here. Okay, bring out your cell phone, search, go to setting of your iPhone, go to setting, search CarPlay. Okay, make sure this one is off, disconnect. Okay, disconnect, unpair. You need to unpair the original one first. All right, you need to unpair the Apple CarPlay right here. Okay, make sure it is empty, nothing is connected, and then you need to go to phone on the unit, delete this one, and then you need to go to Bluetooth of the cell phone. Okay, and then you need to turn off the car, close all the application. You see there's a double square sign here. Okay, go here, clear all, close everything. Okay, and then turn off the vehicle for 10 seconds. Once it's off, then you can turn it on again. You need to see the Mercedes-Benz logo. That means the unit restart successfully. All right. Okay, once it's done, then you can pair with the Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay again. So first of all, bring out your cell phone and then connect to the Bluetooth again. Go to here, search the Bluetooth device name of the unit, FSC CARKIT car kit. Okay, so you can just click on this one, enter password 0000, pair, and then you will automatically bring you to this menu. And then you will grant the authorization on the cell phone. Perfect. It's very nice. And do not connect to Bluetooth during CarPlay. Okay, now it's done. If you find that it still doesn't work, then first of all, you can do the system recovery. Okay. So first of all, go to CarPlay on the phone. I'm gonna show you how to do the system recovery. Just go to car, you can go to setting, scroll down to the bottom, system info, system recovery. But right after you finish the system recovery, you will need to connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot again, and then you need to open the ceiling, the Apple CarPlay application in order to activate, because it will activate through the server. All right. So once you finish, and then you can pair again, and then everything will be fine. This is the last step to system recovery, to reset. But by doing this procedure, you will erase all the application that you install on the system. All right, just keep that in mind. All right. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.